What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. So this video is going to be me pulling all the interior out, putting sound deadening stuff in. I'm not going to go into detail on how I pull all the seats and console and all that out. That you can find it on YouTube somewhere else. I am going to go more into detail on the sound deadening part, so what I'm going to be doing to the truck. So this is going to be probably, I don't know, 2-3 nights worth of work. I only have an hour here and there to work on this, but stay tuned and here we go.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around.
It looked a lot better when we bought it, for sure. Look how much sand was under this. Hopefully it's not all rusty under there, but we'll see. Alright guys, here's with all the seats and the console out. You can tell it's pretty gross. It didn't look bad with all the stuff in, but once you get everything out, it's pretty bad. So I might be getting a new carpet, but I'll power wash this one and we'll see how it turns out. So stay tuned.
Show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky.
Alright guys, as you can see, I've started to put the stuff on already. I kind of wanted to do it before I just started at it and did the video because I really didn't know what I was doing. This is the first time I'm doing it, so I wanted to do it and kind of figure it out before I told all you guys how to do it or how I think you should do it. But these sheets come in, they're kind of big, so I mean, yeah, you could just stick it down and fill that whole area, but I found it's really hard to bend around all these creases and whatnot when it's this big, so I cut it either on the line or kind of a manageable size to bend around and just do multiple pieces versus trying to work a whole sheet and possibly ruin it. Because if you see, it's cracked right there, which I don't think it's gonna hurt anything. But if I would have just, this was the first one I put on, it was a big sheet. So if I would have did smaller sheets, that's probably wouldn't have happened. So that's kind of my advice to you guys on that. Now my other advice is you don't necessarily have to use this stuff, but this is just like a prep coating, so it gets all grease and oils and stuff off. It's what I had, so I'm just using that to clean the paint before I stick it down. That way it sticks really good. But really, rubbing alcohol would work fine versus using this stuff. But I had it laying around, so I figured I'd use it. You also need a roller. I can put this down in the description for you guys. Same with that stuff. So what you do is you stick it down, and then you basically stick it down best you can with your hand, and then you just roll it so it's really tight against the paint and in the creases. So yeah, that's pretty much how you do it. And then with these holes, you got to cut them out, obviously. So if you just push in, you can see where all the holes are, and then I just take a razor blade and cut it. It cuts really easy. And yeah, so that's where we're at with it. We're gonna continue on. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so this is one box, 36 square foot. I did the whole back here. These two pieces are not stuck on yet, but I got 2 sheets left to do. Didn't quite get the whole bottom done. Got just over half. So I'm guessing probably another half a box to do the rest of the front there. I gotta deal with that foam yet. Another half a box to probably do the doors. I gotta take the door panels off yet. And then probably a full box to do the headliner area. So I'm guessing 3 boxes total will do this entire truck, but I will for sure let you guys know. But that's where we're at right now. I am gonna do a separate video on doing the doors. I'll take them off and I'll soundproof the inside. I have to buy some more stuff because I didn't finish it off. But here's that spot that had all that sand. Wasn't that bad. So I'll probably sand all this down and repaint it. So yeah.